children's sake. The robbery attempt turns into a disaster zone. And the most wanted dog on the web, and he's from San Diego.
What are you doing?
Today at 5, San Diego's only HD News. Tomorrow on an all-new Dr. Phil. Runaways gone wild.
He allegedly stole a car.
He stole a car.
What's that? What's that?
Halfway around the country.
What's that, you goofball? You goofy. 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 Goofy girl. Crazy Mazie? Are you a crazy Mazie? Are you a crazy Mazie? Oh, crazy Mazie. Are you a crazy Mazie? 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 Huh? Look at that tail. She's got a deformed foot. She's got a little deformed paw. Didn't notice it until after we paid for her and got her home. Now we love her too much. Huh? Now we love her too much. Now we're too much in love. No, you can't chew on the metal legs on the table, silly. You can't chew on the metal legs on the table, silly puppy. Silly puppy. Give me that. Give me that.
The enormous popularity of the website YouTube. Tonight's video of the day. It looks so bad! An hour before her wedding, the bride staggers into her hotel room, horrified.